What's up, y'all? It's Jay.
And it's Ray.
And today we're gonna do a seafood boil. We're eating crafty crabs.
They be good. They be good already.
We have shrimp, corn, potatoes, and sausage. And today, during our seafood boil, we are gonna do a story time about the first time we seen each other in person.
Yeah, though, make sure y'all subscribe to the channel.
And like as well. If you got any suggestions for future videos, or if you want to hear more story times, then comment in.
Let us know what y'all want us to do. What y'all want to see.
So what you remember about the first time we met? Because it's just so funny how people's memory is different. What's the first thing you remember about that? I mean, about when I came out.
First thing I remember, we going to your house, think about if we want to sit in the car or not. There's a hot car with no AC. That's the only thing I'm thinking about.
So y'all, his car didn't have AC. And this is our first time meeting. And no lie, I do not like the heat. So I wasn't told that before I went outside that I was about to sit inside of a hot car, but it is what it is.
My baby's having a hot coffee for me, but
So, I mean, we have been talking for a little minute though. I came downstairs and we sitting in the car. And so when we first started talking through mutual family members and a mutual friend, when I see his pictures, I thought like he wasn't my type. Scared because I'm like, I don't want to go down here and he not what I want. Like I'm not attracted to him.
she ain't know what to do, y'all.
So I'm thinking in my head, oh my goodness, just don't be me.
Crazy though. I was thinking about that hot ass car.
Like,
What you remember?
the part that I remember the most was like in the beginning, like we wasn't really talking, like it was just like awkward silence, like, and we just kept looking at each other
You right?
and laughing because we both goofy. So like, we even still do that now. We've been dating, we comfortable with each other. Like we would just like awkwardly look around at each other and like laugh, like, and that's how it was in the beginning. I think I didn't really know in the beginning if I was really attracted to him like until like we got out of the car. Like, and then he stood up and I seen his height and he smiled and I was like, okay.
The boy got a smile on.
Okay, I'm gonna give this a try. So that was the thing that I remember the most, like being in my head, like, oh my God, it's so hot. I don't even know if I'm attracted to him yet.
That bitch, that was, ooh, wee. I was sweating like, ooh. And we finally got out.
And y'all, I had just got my hair done, so I was kind of aggravated because I'm like, I just got my hair done, I just got my lace done.
Window was fogged up. That's how hot it was.
I'm sweating out my lace. And I don't even know if it's worth it. So
After that day, I was putting up almost every day after work. She like, you gonna come back over? Well, I'm telling her, oh yeah, be ready. I'll be over there later.
now the funniest part of the whole like situation of when we first, like the night we first seen each other, because it was nighttime, is that my sister she's right under me. She's the second. I'm the first sibling. She's the second sibling. And she kind of the one, like she was one of the people that, put us on or whatever. Or at least got us to exchange numbers because nobody really put us on. Like, we talked amongst each other and like, we didn't have to go through no like kitty high school stuff where we got our friends like sending messages. It was kind of like, give her my number, give him my number, we gonna do whatever. So my sister wanted to know the way that I reacted, or she wanted to see like what was going on. So her and my sister's best friend, like they was walking around the whole parking lot looking at everybody's car, trying to figure out what car we in, pretending that they're waiting on a ride to see what car I'm in and what we doing. I mean, I say they was out there for a good little minute, like searching the parking lot. Like we see them like walking back and forth, and it was just the funniest thing. And then she finally got to the car and she opened the car door. It was so funny. And then I didn't even know until after the night had already, like when I got back in the house, because we sat out there for a long time.
What? This shrimp here?
It's good.
Yeah. And I'm full at the same time.
You full already? You didn't even eat nothing. It's probably because you've been snacking all day. Y'all, I'm real tempted to take off these gloves because
That'd be good, ain't it?
that sausage is good, and I don't even like sausage. I'm tempted to take off these gloves because it's just slowing me down. Yeah.
Slowing you down. He ain't slowing me down.
Well, ain't nothing gonna slow you down.
At all.
I hear my son back there. He's supposed to be going to bed, but it don't look like that's gonna happen. Looks like it's gonna be another one of those nights, even though I have to work in the morning.
Y'all ain't gonna see me eat all this tonight.
No, I'm probably not gonna eat a lot either,
What?
but because they give a lot of food. Like this look like more than a pound.
That's what I'm saying. These like more than a pound of shrimp.
Like they Crafty Crab, they give you a
I ain't gonna
lot.
lie, these bitches good, you know. I need to go to Mr. Krabs again. I said Mr.
Mr.
Krabs.
and Mrs. Crab.
Yeah, I need to go there again and taste it. See which one I really like the best.
I think I'm gonna go with this Crabby. I don't know. It's just something about Mr. and Mrs. Crab. I just don't like it.
You like that watery, what that place
It's
called?
not watery. I just like, he likes like medium stuff. Like stuff is not too spicy.
That sauce right here.
And like, see, the place that I like to go to is called New Orleans Cajun Seafood.
Don't go there.
And I like when they like put like the garlic, the Cajun, the butter, mix it all up together.
We should have had that hot sauce. We need to do that challenge next.
Alright. Too kind of spicy,
Yeah, so I can beat you.
but you're not.
Let's see. I ain't a lot I want to beat you, but boy. That 2 times spicy. I'll be drinking every time I eat one of these.
That'll be your downfall. God just
You do, yeah. You got it all on your shirt.
I knew it was gonna
Maybe you
happen.
should have put this on.
It's alright. This shirt too small anyway.
Y'all just gonna see me eat like a couple more shrimp and some sausage, and that's it.
You done?
I'm full, baby. I'm full. I'm stuck right now. Don't even know what to do.
I know. I'm about to get in the shower
Me too.
and wind down for the night because I gotta work.
Thank you. What is it called? What that fish was? Krusty Krab. Thank you, Krusty Krab.
No, it's not.
What is it called? Let me see. Oh, Crafty Krab. Thank you, Crafty Krab. Y'all, y'all might just give me a whole plate for the free.
Y'all. This is a pound of shrimp. It looks like more than a pound. Potatoes, corn, sausage. All for what? $30. And then if you add a pound of crabs, you spend what? In total, you'll probably spend like $60 for a pound of crab, a pound of shrimp, 3 corn, 3 potatoes, and a half a pound of sausage. If you want a pound of sausage, you probably spend like $62. That's a deal.
Seafood, 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 seafood. Baby, go get me some seafood.
I love seafood.
Seafood me to death.
So I don't cook.
Yeah, you cook. Don't get me wrong now. But you love
And how
it.
many out of those 20 times when
You
I
love
ask for
that
seafood
seafood.
do I actually get it?
You right? So we end up eating something else?
Yeah. Cause he like the Popeyes me to death. He
Popeyes.
love Popeyes. He always want a spicy chicken sandwich.
Man,
Always want a spicy chicken sandwich.
I mean, get y'all a chicken sandwich. I'm gonna start eating them. I'm gonna start eating them. If y'all girl don't eat like that, y'all don't been out and get her them. Leave it alone.
This fresh corn cook. They do like the shucks on that stuff. That's another thing I like about them too. Like other corn places, they look like they get like the bad corn from the store, and then they always overcook it. But them, they actually look like they shuck their corn and they chop it up, cause you can tell by the way like it's cut. It's not like super perfect, and like you could tell like by the end of the corn. Look, you never see corn like that at the other places, like skinny like this, like it was like towards the end of the corn, or like this. Look, that's the bottom of corn right there. Like, see that? Like I like that. Like I want like a seafood place that like they go and catch their seafood fresh. They go and pick their vegetables fresh, their potatoes fresh, and then get in there and chop it up. I just don't like that. They give their potatoes whole. Like the places I go to, like they cut them up, but their potatoes whole. And I just feel like the seasoning don't get on the potato right when it's whole like this. Like I like my potatoes cut in half. Are you drinking my drink?
I'm about to go to sleep. I think I need one more in me.
Alright, y'all. Again, it was your girl Jay.
And your boy Ray.
And don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment for any other videos you want to see or any story
Make
times.
sure you go do that now. Make sure you go do that.
I'm going to link our social medias down in the description box. And we'll see you guys next time.